Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be working on a 1965 BMW R50/2. We are going to be changing the rear drive oil. You're going to need two crush washers, one for the drain, one for the fill, a 19mm socket, and a torque wrench. First step is to drain the oil. I like to use a ratio right to drain the oil into so you can see how much oil comes out. Okay, now we're going to reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer. And the torque on both the drain plug and the fill are 10 foot-pounds, which is about 13.5 Newton meters. All right, now for this bike, the rear drive oil capacity is just a fill to spill. So you just fill it up until it spills out of the fill plug. So then I'm just using standard 80W90 gear oil. All right, so now we are going to reinstall the rear drive fill plug. And again, the torque on this is the same as the torque for the drain of 10 foot-pounds or 13.5 Newton meters. Now all my videos are viewer suggested, so if there's a video you'd like to see, please mention it in the comments below. Have a safe ride.